It's been a while. It's been a while since solid rock and knock up on your door. Whoa, whoa, I know it's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while, but I'm back and I'm here to continue to bring forth the positive vibes nonetheless. Welcome back to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G. Thank you everyone for, tuning in, and I apologize for the long break, but life was life in, right? And a whole lot of events have happened since I've been away. I was, struggling with and caught COVID, believe it or not, so that knocked me back for a little while, but I am back 100%, well, 95%, because, when you catch COVID, sometimes you have a little bit of cough or something left behind, some debris, right? But like I said, while I was gone away from the platform, a lot has been happening in the media, a lot has been happening in the world, and something of late that is happening is with our queen of reggae music, one of our queens of reggae music, and that is none other than Queen Ifrica. Yes, she dropped a bomb, man, and I'm telling you, I am 100% standing beside her and around her. Queen, wherever you are, just know that you have my support and we're ready to take the bastard to court, right? Yes, so, we have to make sure that we protect our children, our elderly, and our women, right? Because a lot of times they fall victims to a lot of monsters, and when they come out to talk, they end up being the monster because people don't want to believe them based on who they may claim have been the monster that abuse them. So people sometimes will tend to say, oh, you're lying and you're not telling the truth. But I firmly believe what Queen Ifrica came out and talked about the other day. I firmly believe her. She has no reason to lie. And yeah, man, the predators that live on the land of predators need to die. And I must say, I'm about to play something from the Queen. Proud of myself, proud of yourself. I love that tune, and I want to just remind the Queen that even though you made that song, just know that for you coming out and making the statement that you made, you should be proud of yourself. And we're proud of you. Those of us who are real and we support you and we're standing with you, we are proud of you nonetheless. So for all those monsters out there with a predator's mind, time is gonna come, we have to do the time, with your perverted mind. But we're gonna keep on moving and grooving, and we're gonna play this tune from the Queen, and we're gonna, like I said, we stand with your Queen. You know what I mean? In it comes.
You should be just because it's good for you, it's good for me. Be proud of you, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, whoa. Wanna make some noise and call down the crowd. Shout it loud, some are proud of me. Proud of me. Them say them want help you, all them told them help you buck. Running along, them gone, but me still have me. Still have me. Proud of myself, myself, I'm proud of myself. Yes, yes, proud of myself, and some proud of. When you feeling, yeah, you feel proud of yourself.
Proud of yourself, yourself, proud of yourself.
Yes, yes,
Proud of yourself, I'm proud of you.
Them will step in on your neck and crush it hard. It's a locating me energy and steel. If you ever know the pain the mama feel.
Right then and there. You see, over the weeks and months, Queen Ifrica has been coming out on social media and sending out, highlighting a lot of things that, is attacking us as a people, as a nation. And a lot of times they want to say she's crazy. They want to say a lot of times she's losing it. You understand? Especially those people that they don't have a sense of consciousness. Because it's only those of us that have a sense of consciousness will listen, at least listen, even if some of us disagree, but at least listen to what the Queen have to say and just line things up. Observe. A lot of people are not observing their surroundings. They're not observing what's happening, what's really happening in our world. You know, they're caught up in the mix-up and the trap and the, you know, the disillusion, and cause themselves a lot of confusion. But the Queen has been talking, and a lot of times there's some that will say, oh, she losing it or whatever. And that's why she's telling you, say, you know, sometimes they will crush your hard. You know, I look at things so with energy, I steal. You understand? If you ever know the pain them where she feel, you understand? So, yeah, man. Queen, like Queen says, you know, when she makes music, she makes it from the heart. Keep going.
Push out every snake from round the heel. Most I jar and I did. Several times fall, watch me get up again. Genesis begin, watch me rejoice from within. Make them happy, ask what is happening. My proud of myself.
Make sure to support the Queen's music as well. She has 2 albums out. You understand? Support the music, and support this tune right now. Proud of myself. And I'm going to play up next Predator's Paradise. You're going to need to support this music. You know, when you support this music, the devil's ritual, you refuse it. Okay?
Proud of myself, I do my proud of myself. Yes, yes, yes. Proud of yourself, yes, you're proud of. Yes, proud of myself. Proud of myself, myself, I'm proud of myself. Yes, proud of myself. Proud of myself, yes, I'm proud of. I'm excited right now, I'm delighted. Everything is everything. Blessings keep coming in. Look how them frightened. They thought this would never be. They never saw me fight for me. Welcome to my victory. Oh yes, I tell you, I'm proud of myself. Proud of myself, myself, I'm proud of myself. Yes, 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 proud of myself. Proud of myself, myself, I'm proud of. Yes, proud of myself. Yes, yeah, proud of myself. Put up your hand, yes, if you're proud of yourself. Yes, you tell you you're proud. Oh, they want to make some noise and call down the crowd. Shout it loud, I'm proud of me. Proud of me. Them say them want help you, all you do them help you buck. Running I love them, gone up, me still have me. Still have me. And so I'm proud of myself. Proud of myself, myself, I'm proud of myself. Yes, proud of myself, no. Be proud of yourself. And if you just proud of yourself, you're up what you're proud of yourself. You did good, yes. Proud of yourself that you can proud of. So delighted, everything so excited. Everything, my bargain for the right thing. And Jah give me all the blessings, Lord, Lord. But just proud of myself.
Proud of Myself by the Queen herself, Queen Ifrica. Yes, yes, proud of yourself, man. Proud of yourself. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Subscribe, like, comment, positively comment, share and subscribe for the vibe. You already know Solid Rock Entertainment tuning in with some positive notions, right? Yeah, so like I said, go and support Queen Ifrica music, right? Give her all the support you can in whichever way you can, positively. Whether if you see her on the street, you give her a hug, show her some love, and take away the negative bug. Or you go into your pocket and support or stream the music, okay? Yeah, give her all the love you can give her right now, because we all need love, right? Scene. Okay, tuning out. Gonna keep it moving, right? Gonna keep it moving and grooving. Gonna keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. All right? Proud of yourself. Proud of yourself, myself, proud.